What's up guys, back with a new video. As you can see, car is running. I replaced this elbow, so everything should be okay. So let's go for a little test drive. So here we are on the road. As you can see, I have this little gauge for the PSI, the oil pressure, but it is not the best when the engine is really hot. If I'm running the water up to temp, but the oil temp is still okay, then I will have good oil pressure. But like this, it's pretty on the low side. It's really on the low side, so it's not the best. But yeah, this braking oil is pretty thin. It's SAE 30. So yeah, I hope with the new oil I will change with the 10W40 that I will have good oil pressure even at high temperatures as well, because it is thinning out too much. So yeah, currently on the roads doing the braking, but yeah, I'm trying to go really slow because I don't have much oil pressure, so don't want to hurt the engine before I can use it even. But yeah, other than that, the car runs pretty good. I done about 150 kilometers. I will run about 50 more, about 200, and I will change the oil. It is mostly enough for braking, and yeah, I want my oil pressures back to normal because yeah, it's not the best to run like this for a long time. I'm just changing the oil on the Miata. Got the oil off here, and here's the filter. Here's how the oil looks. It does have flakes in it, which is normal, as you can see, but yeah, no big chunks or anything like that, so I would say that's good. Still have to change the next oil pretty early as well, like after 1,000 kilometers or so, but yeah, I guess everything is good so far. I will check the oil what I have drained and see there. So let's install the new filter, and yeah, so here's the oil from the car. It is pretty flaky. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there. But yeah, no big chunks or anything, so I think we are good there. Just got the new oil inside, so let's start it up, go for a ride and see the oil pressures when hot. Hopefully this will solve our issue. If not, I don't know what's the next step, but yeah, I'm really hoping this will be it. That oil is really thin, so even cold, so I hope this will be it. Right off the start, I have almost 10 pounds of more oil pressure at idle, so that's a good sign. Car is running perfect so far. It is warmed up. That doesn't work because the sensor is not grounded. It is up to temp, and yeah, that is not really working. So yeah, let's see while I drive. As you can see, I'm cruising at around 2000 rpm and 40-45, so that's perfect. As I go a little bit higher, almost 3000, I have 50, almost the same. But yeah, as I go higher, it is climbing up. So guys, it turned out good with the oil. Got back my oil pressures. As you can see, idle, I did some pulls as well, like 5-7 pounds of boost, and yeah, I have still 15 at idle, and before I was having like 6, 7, 8 around that range, and if I rev it up to like 2500, I get 40-45 psi. So yeah, I'm happy about that, and I can finally drive the car a little bit normally. I was always like driving it when it's a little colder or something like that, so I won't get like low oil pressures, but still to continue the braking process. So but yeah, now the braking is mostly done, and yeah. Okay, so I fixed my water temp gauge. So as you can see here, sensor is not grounded to the head because there are two gaskets on each side, so it is not connected directly to the head. The bolts are running inside, so they are not touching either, and that's why the dashboard is not picking up a good signal. So I did this junky solution where I connected a wire around that barb hose. It is touching on this side and underneath it, and I just hook it up under a bolt here on the head, and now it is making enough contact so it is reading correctly inside on the time gauge. So it's not the best one, but it will definitely work. You don't need a, I don't know what connection, it is just for a sensor ground, so it's not anything like crazy. But yeah, that is resolved as well. I also added here a little holder for the oil line. It is not tight, so it can still move. It's not pinching the line. So yeah, it is looking a little bit better like this, I guess. So yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. Good oil pressures, as I mentioned already. No more problems with that. The rear out is working pretty good. I don't really go above like 88 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty good, and it's keeping all 4 cylinders pretty even and cooled. So yeah, that's the whole point of it. So yeah guys, this was kind of it for this video with my forged build. I will continue to break in the engine, continue to enjoy the car. Hopefully we'll get to see some more boost as well, making some power. But yeah, I still have to run like a grandpa on the roads most of the time. So yeah, I will have to add or an oil cooler or something to do here, so the turbo doesn't get as hot, so it doesn't warm up too much the oil and it thins out. But so far so good, because I don't have problems with oil pressure. But in the summer I might have some problems with it, but for now we are good like this. Maybe I will add a turbo blanket, see if that contains the heat a little bit better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.